Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Often people ask me that if I grow marigolds plants, different types of marigold plants, should I pinch off or should not pinch off the plants to get the better results, better flower plants? These are the plants I have bought. They are Inca variety, small seedling that I bought a few days back. And should I pinch it off if the plants grow or should not I? Many of the questions, there are lots of confusion. So today I am telling you that some varieties are there. Many varieties are there. Basically there are three varieties of marigolds are available in the market. One is from African giant, and another is some French marigold, and third one is some desi variety, indigenous variety. There are lots of varieties of small flowering plants, and there are also lots of plants, some miniature variety or some bigger size variety, and some Thailand variety. Lots of plants are there, but these are the African variety. I tell you, this is the Inca variety. I have grown these plants from cutting, and Inca variety, you see the lots of big flowers are here. So should we pinch it off or not? Here, this is the French variety. You see, this is the French variety, and I show you the French variety color variations here. This is the lots of flowers. This is the French variety flowers, at least 10 to 12 flowers you can get at a single time. And another variety I show you, this is the French variety, another variety of this color variety. There are lots of color variants, at least 10 to 12 color variations you can see in the French marigold. And in local variety, the plants are 3 to 4 inch, 4 feet tall. So should we pinch it off or should not pinch it off? This is the question. Today I will be answering all the questions for today. If you are growing any desi variety or indigenous variety, the plants are tall, 3 to 4 feet tall, and you need lots of small flowers. So you make two plants bushy. You have to pinch it up 2 to 3 times. As many branches you will get the flowers from there. So in that case, you may pinch up 3 to 4 times. But if you are growing the Inca variety or African variety, you see this is the plants grown from seeds. This is the African variety. I show you. So you see lots of branches have come out, and we have not pinched up yet. No pinching there. So there are lots of branches, automatic branching. The seed companies are now producing these varieties of plants. Say you should not pinch, you need not pinch at all, and you will get at least 8 to 10 flowers, big size flowers from here. This is grown from seeds. Another plant I am showing, this is grown from cuttings, and in that case also you have not pinched up yet. And you see these are the three flowers are here, and lots of buds here you can see, and you have not pinched it yet. So you don't need any pinching in African variety or double African giant or Inca gold or these kinds of plants. You don't need have to pinch it off. But if you are growing some other variety, especially the miniature variety, this is French marigold, and you see I am showing the flowers here. And if you need much flowers, around 30 to 40 flowers from a single plant at a time, so you have to pinch off the flowers. You can see this is the plant, and already buds has appeared. And in that case, I show you how to pinch off. Just pinch off with the help of two nails. Just pinch off the bud from here, and you will see this after pinching off, new branches will come out from here, and there will be lots of branching here. Now another plant, this is the Inca variety. I have grown from seeds. These are the two plants I am showing you, around 6 inch of height. And in that case, you should pinch up or not. I am showing you just one bud is visible here. If you want, you can pinch this only one bud once only. Don't pinch up another time, only once in one bud only. In that case, you will see lots of branches, and you will see the flower size will be smaller in comparison to let it be there in grow normal condition 5 to 6 flowers. If you pinch up, you can get 10 to 12 flowers from here. So in that case, you avoid pinching in African giant or African marigold. So final conclusion I am giving to what should you do. These are the plants of African giant marigold or Inca marigold. You should not pinch it up at all, and if you pinch it up, the flower size will be much smaller. So you avoid pinching in that plant. And these are the Inca variety. They are the very nice. And if you are growing some French marigold or desi variety or some miniature variety, you pinch it up 2 to 3 times. That would be best results for lots of flower. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for being there. So nice of you. Thank you.